Hi everybody, I'm Sean the Dog, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your LinkedIn profile to show that you work for both Averro and the client organization that you're working for on behalf of Averro. So let's get started by scrolling down to the experience section on your profile. As you can see, I was a fetch coordinator at TA Group Holdings for a long time, but now I moved on up to the director level. So it's time to hit the plus button to add my next job role. When you do this, we're going to be adding two different companies to your experience, so make sure you put your client's information in first, not Averro. So first we'll start with the job title, which is Fetch Director for me. Next, we'll select Contract as the employment type, since this will change throughout your employment term with Averro if you redeploy. Then we'll add the client company. I'll add Direct Technology, and then the area that the client is located in. Once all this is done, make sure that the box that says I am currently working in this role is checked, and then add your start date. Right here, select Update My Headline, and it will update to show your position at your client company. In your description, you can add a few major bullet points from your job description. As you get further into your project, I recommend updating this description with results that you achieve through your work. Once that's all done, make sure Share with Network is on and hit Save. Now you've added your client, so let's make sure that you've got your actual employer, Averro, set up as well. We'll hit the plus button again, fill in the same job title, and this time, we're going to select full-time as the employment type, because if you redeploy with Averro, that'll show longevity. Next, we'll add Averro as the company, and then add your location. Once again, make sure the currently working box is checked, and then fill in your start date. Since we took care of updating your headline already, make sure these boxes are unchecked. Now for the description. We've made it super easy for you. You've probably got to this video from this PDF. So scroll down here to step 3, where we've included a little Averro description that you can simply copy and paste into your description. Once you're done with that, enable Share with Network one more time if it isn't already. Click Save. And boom, you are now actively an employee of Averro and of your client organization. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for being out there living the Averro ethos. Family first, be uncommon, and culture wins. I'll see you next time. Sean the Dog, signing off.